like, but I'm seeing some worrisome signs. So
That's that.
I'm worried a bit. Like he seems too relaxed. So like too laid back. He takes his time sometimes. So
Okay.
like slow nyana. So and
He's
yabona
slow.
ikiske zamwidlala. We trying to
Ndunjalo.
penetrate fast. So in danger.
Mhm.
But it's still early, as I said. So like, I believe he'll come to the part.
Yeah.
So through game time.
Kancane
Through
kancane.
very few players, special players who come to a new team and then just bangs. So in
Yes,
danger.
va.
Let's give him game time. Let's give him game time. But I don't think it was his best games yesterday. What do you think of Tichon Coast?
Yeah, I wanna just ask Mr. Mlambo, like, mina layout ngibona is slow.
Injalo.
Yeah. But mangazi ukuthi uyiprefera ku-10 and umaster chef amprefere ku-10 via uslow.
Yeah, that's why. Master Chef uthanda ukubamba ibhola. Master Chef uthanda ushukela. That guy is slow but he can play ama passes. That's
Sure.
why ngikubonisa I'll take you the game leli nasikathurile lize lishaya ipale akor.
Yeah.
That guy uyophase bani? Uphasa uSkomota. Skomota pass real. That's the first one. That guy lela goal leya laka ipenalty leya ka iscorile. Uyophase bani? Uyophasa uMasindi. Masindi pass to Pastor Police. So that slowness yakhe inebu IQ. I'm not saying uMaster Chef akana IQ yangithola. Yes. I'm not saying uMaster Chef akana
I
IQ.
can't question IQ. Yeah. Tichon IQ Master Chef.
That's why into engisho ngithi uMaster Chef is skillful player. Uyayibamba. Da ku number 10 and thina sashare. Sometimes uzothi shy count uMaster Chef uzoyibamba. Loya uzoba slow but ibhola lizo release. So mina I prefer him kuPakania as a 10.